Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the floodlight swing transition tutorial on CapCut. So first, import your clips to CapCut and then just click on a transition box, go to light and then select the floodlight transition, this one, and adjust it to your liking and click on apply to all. Click on a check icon. Now it has been applied to all of the transition, and click on a second clip, then go to animation in and then select the swing button animation, swing button, okay, this one, and adjust it to your liking. Click on a check icon, and then after that go to video effect and then click on the distortion category and then select the rebound swing effect, this one. Click on effect and then adjust the effect like this. For the speed, adjust it into 30 and then the size 0 and intensity 30. Okay, click on a check icon, then place the effect align with the second video, okay, like this, and then copy the effect and adjust it with the third video, the third clip, like this. Now you are done with the floodlight swing transition. Here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.